Hey there, it's Rob Pagetto for Improve Canada, and you can see as you look down the hallway, so many incredible units to visit. Over 350. Let's visit one right now. Let's say hi to Mary from M Squared Flooring. Mary, how you doing today?
How's it going, Rob? Great to see you again.
Fantastic. So many things to do here at Improve Canada, but let's talk about flooring for a moment. Let me ask you, with all the changing trends in flooring, what's happening in your mind with flooring?
Well, when it comes to hardwood flooring, the trend is becoming go bigger, go wider, go longer, and go lighter colors with a matte finish. So
kind of like a light gray is in right now?
actually, no, we're actually moving a little bit away from the grays and starting to go to things that are a little bit more neutral, and I can show you a couple of things if you want to see.
See, that good thing I asked about the gray. Now, you're not just flooring, you do design as well.
Yes, we do. I'm an interior designer by trade, so a lot of times what happens is we snowball from picking the floor to picking other finishes and then a bigger project from there altogether.
What is your favorite product? Because I know you like working with Canadian products.
We do love working with very well-made Canadian products indeed. My favorite thing is anything in white oak from Mercier Wood Flooring because I can do it in plank and herringbones, and herringbones are coming back with a vengeance.
Really? You heard it from Mary, herringbone, coming back with a vengeance.